Ducky Drawing TV.
Hello!
Hello children, welcome to the Ducky Drawing TV. Today's theme is Peppa. Now let's start drawing. We are going to draw Peppa's head. Then we will draw Peppa's eyes, Peppa's nose and Peppa's mouth, Peppa's cheeks. Next are Peppa's ears, Peppa's clothes and Peppa's hands. Finally, we draw Peppa's shoes and Peppa's tail. Okay. After we're done, we'll use a thickened black marker to deepen the color and thicken the lines. Finally, let's start coloring. Let's start with the color of Peppa's clothes. We use a yellow marker and slowly and evenly paint it on. Then we use a green marker to draw Peppa's lapel pin. Next, we use a pink marker to draw Peppa's face. Finally, we'll use a brown marker to draw Peppa's shoes, hands, and tail. Okay. We have finished our final drawing. Kids, grab your colored markers and join me in painting. I'm sure you'll be more creative than me. You can change the colors as you like and add any pattern to Peppa's outfit.
Bye-bye!